This is my Chipotle roasted garlic aioli sauce. The star of this dish is the chipotle peppers in adobo sauce, the roasted garlic, lemon juice that I'm going to squeeze from this lemon. We're going to add 3 eggs, just the yolks, and half a cup of olive oil. We'll be adding in 3 egg yolks, and this is a preview of what the finished sauce is going to look like. I'll be adding some salt, some fresh ground pepper, okay, you see how I'm adding the oil in here? Yeah, don't do that. We do this later. I messed this up and I had to start all over again. And I forgot to film this part, but I'll also be adding in some paprika and cumin. Now once you have all the ingredients in, go ahead and turn on your food processor on low for about a minute to get everything all nice and blended together. Once the ingredients have blended, go ahead and turn off your food processor. I would also recommend to unplug it. And now we're going to add in the chipotle peppers. I highly recommend you do not touch these. Please use tongs, and right after you're done, wash your hands. And then we're going to let the food processor run for about a minute to break up those peppers. Then we're going to turn it off, unplug it, scrape down the sides, and then we're going to get ready to put our oil in. Okay, so now go ahead and plug your food processor back in, put the lid on, make sure it's secure, and open your little window on the top and put your food processor on low, and we're going to add the oil in little by little. You have to do it like this so that you don't break the sauce. Now after all of the oil has been added in, I let the food processor run for about a minute to make sure everything gets combined really nicely. So now we're going to check the sauce for consistency, and this is exactly what we're looking for. We want it to be a little bit on the thicker side so it isn't really thin and runny. Okay, and that's it. That's all you got to do. I would recommend at this point, go ahead and taste the sauce. See if you need to adjust anything. Do you need any more salt? Do you need pepper? Do you need to add another chipotle pepper maybe? Make it your sauce, make it to your taste. And then, well, what are the uses for this sauce? Well, you can check out the taco video I made and see how I used it. If you found any value in this content, please subscribe to my channel. It really helps me out. Press that like button while you're at it. Thanks. See you guys on the next one.